Hello and welcome to a midweek video. Usually my midweek videos will be about my sales on eBay, but I haven't done much of that lately. This one did sell on eBay, but I managed to send the wrong thing. So I put a screenshot up of what's sold, and then I'll show you what I actually sent by mistake. And it was so embarrassing. The lady messaged me and said, you know, what's going on? And it's just I've been quite busy with the family, and I don't think I was really concentrating very much. That's why we've not had many videos lately. But I bought this pen from the range. This knife thing from the range. I only used it about half a dozen times. It's flat. It's blunt. Yeah. So anyway, she said that she'd send back the incorrect item that I'd sent. So I just want to. So I took it off of eBay. So. Yeah, she won the Case Logic case on auction on eBay. I just want to make sure that this is all good to go again, and I can list this back on. Oh my gosh, it's got a bit squished. That'll be fine. That'll straighten out. Yeah, so that is. So what I've been doing is I've been packaging them up. And because I've packaged it up, I must have just picked up the wrong box. So I picked up the right box, then put it down, then picked up the wrong box second time. So that's all ready to go. So by the time you see this, that will be listed again on eBay. On a completely unrelated topic, I've got some conductive graphite paste because I want to finally get my 1970s calculators fixed. And just in case anyone's interested, I might do a video. I bought this M.2 SSD for my laptop as an upgrade. It's a 2 terabyte one. And I'm going to upgrade it, install Windows 11 because it's only got Windows 10 on it and I need to be on Windows 11 now, and then go through the anti-spying stuff I normally go through on my computers, because I'm a professional tech support man. I've got a tech support business, and I don't like the way Microsoft keeps installing things I don't like and invading my privacy by logging what I'm doing all the time. So I've got a set of things I do when I set up a new computer for myself. So if there's any interest, I might do a video on that. I know it's sort of off topic for the channel, but it might be quite interesting for you if you're doing the same. So that's the time today, 7:02, Tuesday evening, the 5th of September, and I'm hoping to get this video out today or tomorrow. Hopefully not too much editing, because I actually go back to work tomorrow morning. And my YouTube and eBay stuff it's not really work, it's more my hobby. But I was watching but I've got to keep moving with selling stuff on eBay, but I haven't done that recently because I've been spending some time with the kids the last 2 weeks of the summer holiday. And I've had these up, there's quite a few of them. I'll put a picture up on the screen now, but they haven't been selling. And Westlife bought a set of Bibles on cassette. I've already reduced the price on these once. Yeah, he bought a set of Bibles on cassette, and he didn't buy them because he wants to listen to them. He bought them because they're on chrome tape. And it makes me wonder whether these are on chrome tape. I can't remember how many cassettes there are in this series. But what I'm thinking is, if they don't sell, I was hoping someone who was a collector would buy the entire series from me. I think there's one cassette missing. But they've been up for so a long time, they've reduced the price. But I don't want to reduce it too much because they're actually quite heavy, and you can't charge the full rate for postage on cassettes on eBay. You can only charge £3.45, I think is the maximum. So let me just read this. Right, so where was I? I just had to look at my video. I'll put a link for the video in the description box of this video, of the original video, or not the original, but the one where I talked about this whole series. Anyway, hang on a second. I was watching Westlife, who ordered some Bible cassettes, and he didn't order them because he wanted to listen to them. He ordered them because they're on Chromium Dioxide tape, Type 2 tape. And that got me to thinking, I think these are the same. So I just watched a bit of my own video, and I found out which cassette, because they don't all have this on them, but it says here this cassette has been duplicated on premium chrome dioxide tape using normal low bias. So it's Type 2 tapes, but they recorded it on Type 1 on a Type 1 BIOS, so everyone can play it, even though they might have only Type 1 on the cassette deck. So let's have a look. So this box here doesn't say that, but it's all part of the same series. So let's compare the two lots of tape. Let's get my pick. Because what V. Westlife is going to do, he's going to record over them. He is not interested in the religious programs that are on them. So this is the Chrome one, Chromium Dioxide, and this is the one that doesn't say Chromium Dioxide. Oh look, there's a difference in those. So I wonder whether they changed partway through the series. And this is chrome tape, although it doesn't have the cutout on the top. This is chrome tape, and the other one isn't chrome tape. I think this was a monthly or a weekly thing that Time Life sends out. So if these don't, it's a long way of going around about, if these don't sell for a decent amount of money, and they've got to sell for a decent amount of money because the postage, I reckon this probably weighs about 8 kilograms. So the postage is going to be quite expensive. So if it doesn't sell for a decent amount of money, I might keep the tapes. I'm doing some experimenting with some labels. I might keep the tapes and just use them for recordings, because Chrome Type 2 tapes, and some of these are hardly used. I don't think some of these have been played. That one has, but that one looks in perfect condition. That's the Chrome one. So they might be worth more to me as Chrome tapes, although they'll be slightly different lengths, than they are to sell on eBay. Anyway, I do have a few other bits I need to sell on eBay, but I've got to get back into the swing of work before I start listing some of those in my spare time. So that will do for this video. So just in case you're watching this in the future, as opposed to September when I'm making it, the link in the description box will take you to my eBay site, my eBay profile, and you can see what I've currently got for sale on eBay. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.